Hello green thumbs and veggie lovers, welcome to Soil Books, where we dig deep into the secrets of gardening and farming. Today, we're talking about the backbone of every successful vegetable garden, the best soil for growing vegetables. Believe me, getting your soil right is the foundation of a bountiful and delicious harvest. Did you know that the right soil can make the difference between a mediocre harvest and a bumper crop? By the end of this video, you'll learn exactly what makes the perfect soil for your veggies and how to create it. So let's get started. What exactly makes soil so special for our vegetables? It's not just dirt. It's a complex and dynamic environment. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, full of interactions and processes that support plant life. Teeming with life and bursting with potential, soil is home to countless microorganisms and insects. The best soil for your veggies is rich in organic matter, which improves its structure and fertility. This organic matter is like a hearty meal for your plants, providing them with all the essential nutrients they need to thrive and grow strong. Good soil needs to be free-draining, allowing water to pass through without becoming waterlogged. We want light, airy soil that allows excess water to drain away, preventing root rot and other issues. Ideally, we're looking for a nice, loamy texture, which is the perfect balance for most plants. Loam is a beautiful balance of sand, silt, and clay, providing the right mix of drainage and nutrient retention. Most veggies prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH, somewhere between 6.0 and 7.0, which is ideal for nutrient uptake. A healthy soil is teeming with beneficial microbes, which help break down organic matter and release nutrients. Now that we understand what makes soil so special, let's roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. It's time to transform our garden soil into a thriving ecosystem. First things first, get to know your soil. Understanding its texture, structure, and composition is crucial for successful gardening. A simple soil test will tell you everything you need to know about your soil's pH, nutrient levels, and composition. This information is vital for making informed decisions about what to plant and how to amend your soil. Next up, let's add some goodness. Incorporating plenty of organic matter is the single best thing you can do for your soil. Organic matter improves soil structure, enhances water retention, and provides essential nutrients. Compost, well-rotted manure, leaf mold. These are all fantastic additions that will feed your soil and your plants. They help create a rich, fertile environment for your garden to flourish. If drainage is an issue, adding grit, such as horticultural sand or fine gravel, can help to improve drainage and prevent waterlogging. This ensures that your plant's roots have the right balance of air and water. Mulching is another fantastic way to improve your soil. It not only conserves moisture, but also adds organic matter as it breaks down. A layer of organic mulch, like bark chippings or straw, will help to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. This creates a more stable environment for your plants to grow. And finally, let's talk about crop rotation. This practice is essential for maintaining soil health and fertility over the long term. Different crops have different nutrient requirements, so rotating them helps to prevent soil depletion. By planning your garden with crop rotation in mind, you can ensure a continuous supply of nutrients and reduce the risk of pests and diseases. Different veggies have different soil preferences. Tomatoes adore a rich, fertile soil that's slightly acidic. Carrots prefer a looser, sandier soil. Leafy greens appreciate a fertile, moisture-retentive soil. Root vegetables need a loose, well-drained soil to accommodate their expanding roots. They also appreciate a slightly acidic pH. Peppers and eggplants prefer a well-drained, fertile soil that's rich in organic matter. They also benefit from a slightly acidic pH. Can you grow vegetables in poor soil? Absolutely. Even if your soil isn't perfect, you can still cultivate a thriving garden. With a little effort, you can improve any soil. It just takes some dedication and the right techniques. Start by adding compost and organic matter, and you'll see a huge difference. These additions enrich the soil, making it more fertile and better for plant growth. Gardening is a journey, not a destination. Each step you take brings you closer to a bountiful harvest. So here's my question for you. What's the first vegetable you'll grow in your improved soil? Maybe tomatoes, carrots, or even some leafy greens? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans. Sharing your ideas can inspire others too. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Your support means the world to us. If you found these soil tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners. It helps our community grow. Also, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future videos. We have so much more to share with you. Until next time, stay green, keep growing, and remember, the secret to a great harvest is right beneath your feet. See you soon.